Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G06 Power, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen, which will bring down your toggles and notifications. Swipe down once more and it will extend the toggles. Now here you're looking for the Do Not Disturb mode, which for me is visible on the first page right here at the bottom. Once you see this toggle, which, mind it, could be located on other pages as we have multiple, once you locate it, hold it first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. Now some of the options here might be useful. So for instance, people will allow you to select specific individuals in your contacts list that would be able to basically bypass your Do Not Disturb mode when it's enabled. So they would be able to either message you or call you, and you can select each individually. Additionally, we have apps that can bypass this, and then we have alarms and other interruptions. Now below that we have schedule, so you can select a fully automatic schedule at which your phone would automatically turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode at a specified day of the week and start and end time. Now there is always one pre-made called sleeping, and it basically runs all week long from 10 p.m. Till 7 a.m. You can enable it, or you can also tap on the text and change it. Settings for it, the time, date, and add more. You can have several different schedules running at the same time, so you're not limited just to one. As you can see, I can enable both of these, no problem. And then we also have another option right here, duration for quick settings. Now this defines what happens when you press on the toggle in here. So by default, when you click on it, it will run indefinitely. So if you forget about it, well, tough luck. It's going to run till you recall that you have turned it on. But there's a better option in here. Under duration for quick settings, this defines what happens when you press on it. And we can change it, for instance, to a timed one. I personally like to select it on a 4-hour timer. This way, it covers whatever I would need this mode for, plus hopefully a little bit of time extra, just so it doesn't turn off throughout whatever I needed it for. You can obviously change it to whatever timer you want, or you can also select the other option, Ask Every Time. Now, when you select Ask Every Time, it will bring up similar window like this, but it will only give you these two options. So until you turn off, or allow you to select a specified timer, and you can change that timer every time. Now, I'll keep it on this as it just makes it faster and simpler for me. And we also have display options for filtered notification. Anyway, let's just close this up, find the toggle, and this time around we can just tap on it. Now with the timed option, it actually tells me till what time it's going to run. So at 5:15, this mode will automatically turn itself off. But I don't need to wait till that time. I can actually turn it off right now if I wanted to. Now that's assuming I can remember about it. And I am a smooth brain, so that might be difficult. So there we go. That's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.